We're on the Supernatural Amphitheatre. We're not in Meredith, we're at Bulla. This is Bull Run Bowl. I'm with Colin. Hey Colin.
How you going?
Going alright mate, going alright. This is your first FreeBOM, what do you think?
This event is wicked. I reckon some of the best skiing's done up high though, before you even get to the bumps, but so stoked to finally have made it down here.
Up high? Now that's the real FreeBOM.
I'd definitely agree with that. The outfits today though are spot on. It makes skiing that much more fun to see everyone out in a bit of fluoro, or a tweed jacket, whatever you want.
We have the green blob coming down again.
We started FreeBOM 5 years ago. It was just a joke between Joe and I were riding this chairlift, and it was, whoa, Becky! So another one. Oh. It was 2014, and that was a really good year. We had a lot of snow. And we're looking at the forecast, just being like, wow, next Saturday is going to be epic. We put a call out on Facebook and just said, Wood Run, 1 p.m. It's FreeBOM. People rocked up and we got a stereo, and it was a hoot. It was really fun. It was so much fun that we decided we had to do it again, and we've been doing that ever since.